we have the time to listen to jokes.
But they're influential people.
What influential? What makes them influential? You think they're influential?
A former governor and minister?
Hold on. You are talking about Amaechi.
Yes, sir.
Now you have been specific. I don't know how a man will choose his 60th birthday to tell lies. It's unfortunate. It's our time. It's your 60th birthday that people are celebrating you. You used to tell lies to Nigeria. You are hungry. Let us tell ourselves this. He was speaker 1999 to 2007. And if anybody knows, he was the most pampered speaker. Then he was reading law in London as a speaker 1999 to 2007. He became a governor 2007 to 2015. He was still reading law in London. 8 years as Speaker of Rivers State House Assembly. 8 years as Governor of you never talked about hunger. He became a minister from 2015 to 2023. 8 years, super minister, transport. Where you were borrowing money for every bank, loans. He didn't talk about hunger. 2 years of that office. I'm in coalition because I'm hungry. You're only hungry of power. And that's just failure on his part. How do you look at it? How do you insult Nigeria? How do you trivialize the issue of hunger or poverty? Why do you do that? You're insulting Nigerians. You join that. You join Elsa because you are hungry. Have you not insulted Nigeria? Just that you can't stay out of power. That's the hunger. You can't stay out of power. How would a man say 1999 to 2023? We stand before Nigerians who presided over billions of naira. This was the same man who on the national television told Nigeria he doesn't like money. Meanwhile, dollar was showing. Meanwhile, dollar. You were carrying dollar. And you are telling Nigerians you don't like money. How many countries is this? And we are listening to that. And you said it's influential. What difference? Let me tell you what difference. You know, we overrate people. We overrate people. What difference? He was governor 2015. He couldn't produce a successor. He couldn't give his candidate, Muhammad Buhari, come 25%. He was a sitting minister in 2019. No president had ever moved with soldiers the way he came with soldiers. He said he produced a governor. He couldn't produce a candidate. Again, his candidate Buhari didn't make 25%. He was the teacher of campaign. Again, in 2023, he came. Okay, this time around, I'm going to support Atiku. In PDP, thank God, we did not support PDP. If I supported PDP and they won, he would have taken the glory. We said, okay, we will not support PDP. They failed. They didn't even get 10%. So what is his influential? It's just because, you see, look, I thank God this is in a coalition. I want that coalition. I've told Nigeria, look, I don't like this talking. Let this coalition, let them form as a team. Let them start from home to start moving the president to. What is that you remove? You start from their home to remove him by making sure president loses the election. How could somebody come out on national television and tell Nigerians, if we want to remove the president now, we can? Is it a military coup? The water war remover leads to dictatorship, to the military. You only use that word remove when there's a coup. And I thought I never said we'll vote him out. But whichever way. whichever way. Why would a man not talk about, you saw what happened in this country in 2015, 2019?
Now you're a stakeholder, you're an influential person, you're relevant in the party. And
Let me tell you, if I say something about PDP today, they're telling me, say it. No, you don't want to lead me to say it. Let them, nothing leave the party.
So, but people are saying the party will die a natural death. It will implode.
Because some people want to kill it. We say it will not die. We'll make sure it will not die. That's why we don't allow them to get what they want.
But it's losing stronghold. Delta is gone already.
It's not tell you, okay, look at it. If it's a party, leadership problem, look at it. You won't tell me that you have intelligence that Delta will go. You won't tell me that you have intelligence that was
Akwa Ibom.
Now, leadership. What should you have? Should you have? No. Send a team. Oh, but why are you doing this? No, you're making a mistake. This. Impunity. Let them go. Let them go. You know, it's opposition does not do impunity. No. We try to see beg, put everybody together. You don't say, let them go. Let me tell you, they are just playing to the gallery. I cannot do that. The more you look, the less Sicilian. All these people shouted. I just give you some time. I came out. You have seen me here. I said I was support that. So I didn't say I just have little people. Now, the way we won other elections, that's how we win. You don't understand me? I'm not a liability. I'm an asset. Whether you agree or you don't agree, I'm an asset.
Okay.
Or whether you want to die, you don't want to die, asset. No matter, you may not like me. If you are liking it, has nothing to make me not to be. I'm an asset.
What you want to say about people?
I don't prefer
We're not going to say. We just have to go now. We know national assets, minister. Since it's an asset to PDP, it's also an asset to APC, so we are a national asset.
I'm an asset to make sure that Tinubu wins second term.
All right. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. We have to